So consider I have to display the output given in this format. So here you can see that you are having 3 rows and 4 columns. So that is the first information we have got from the output, which means our outer loop should run for 3 times and our inner loop should run for 4 times. So we have got that much of information. So we will see that for this should work for 3 times. So for the time being I am writing I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then I am saying for the inner loop which controls the columns, which means it has to be displayed 4 times or it has to be executed 4 times. So I am saying j is equal to 1, j less than 5, j plus plus, and there is a printing process which prints 4 times, which means the printing statement is occurring inside the inner loop. So print %d, you are going to display some variable, and after that you have to go to the next line. So printf /. So this much is clear. Now what happens if I am displaying j? If I display j, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. That much part is correct. And next time when I value becomes 1, again it is going to display 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means j is not the value to be displayed. What about I? I is always varying from 0 to 3, which means with I value also I am not going to get this output. So what I can do? I can bring in a new variable, say I am saying it as k, and what is the first value to be displayed? It is 1. So I am initializing this as 1. So whenever, so I am putting here as k. So first time it will display 1, and every time how the value of k is modified, it is incremented by 1. So the next thing is that there will be a statement which says k is equal to k plus 1, where you are going to fit that part. Okay, how we can do that? We will check the behavior of the output. You can see that in a single line the value is being changed, which means the modification should be inside the inner loop. So after displaying k, what you are going to do? You will say k plus plus. You can either do it like this, or instead of a new line, what you can do? You can just say k plus plus. Both will work. I hope it is clear for you.